Hello and welcome to Knowledge Age. There is a small update regarding Bank of Baroda Industrial and Corporate Credit Batch 2022. In dedicated WhatsApp group, the class link is being shared to you right at 9 o'clock every night. These are bilingual and Hindi classes of Quant Reasoning English which is being shared to you with Hindi banking classes. But before Saturday, we are going to release a dedicated schedule for the English batch and also a revision class of Quant Reasoning English in 1.5 months. As we are expecting the exam is going to be conducted in 1.5 months. Apart from that, there will be classes of dedicated credit management related to this post. In this 1.5 months, we will be giving you a schedule. There will be few classes will be available in recorded mode, pre-recorded. Extremely important sessions are to be watched from the application, from the credit management folder, general banking folder, banking classes folder. And I will be guiding in inside classes which folders you need to cover initially before staying prepared. Most of you as working professionals, you don't have time for dedicated live sessions. So for them, we have pre-recorded sessions, and every night when the classes will be over, the next morning, immediate morning, you will be getting the same class being uploaded in your application. So don't panic. All the important questions, MCQs, everything will be uploaded in the students portal and you will be guided which one to be covered. As of now, the top 100 MCQ folder in the content library has got bigger. We have uploaded more than 1200 or 1300 top MCQs in this segment, which is going to be very crucial for your exam point of view. Additional 1000 MCQs are being prepared, and we are now in a transition stage. We are shifting the studio for betterment of our students. We are coming up with better and bigger contents. So in between, please cover all the credit management, banking folders in applications and Quant Reasoning English from Hindi version or from the English version which is already uploaded in your application. Do check out, we have just updated this entire Quant Reasoning English session, and whatever classes is taking place for this 2022 batch, it is updated in respective 2022 folder, Quant 2022, Reasoning 2022, etc. See you in the next side of Knowledge. I hope all of you will crack this exam. In every single exam before this, we have delivered 90% of successful candidates from this portal, and I also wish most of our students will definitely qualify. These are for the first time there is going to be an exam, and I will be guiding you and our mentors will be guiding you about the level of exam in Quant Reasoning English and separately for banking. Okay, so see you in the other side. Best of luck, good wishes. Probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Prakul sir will be coming up with the detailed schedule, and starting from Sunday there will be my exclusive classes of me and of other educators in this very specific batch, apart from the RRB, separate classes of RRB. Thank you once again for your love, support and time. Thank you.